guys, and welcome to a bonus episode of Games for Breakfast. We're still not doing breakfast food, I'm sorry. One could argue that this could be a breakfast drink, but it's gonna turn you invisible, so I don't know, if you want to be invisible on breakfast, go ahead. Some of these ingredients are kind of hard to find. This is an invisibility potion from Dungeons & Dragons. And in addition to listing the main ingredient, I will list an alternative. I don't know how you can find some of these things outside of the Forgotten Realm. So you need 2 fruits of intention, or limes. You can use 2 limes. 1 pint of juice of irony. You could also substitute that for grapefruit juice. 6 tablespoons of trompe. The alternative for that would be 6 tablespoons of cane sugar syrup. 1 pint of fizzing spirit of troll. You can also use tonic water, 2 cups. And last but not least is a hint of discretion. Also, you can use a sprig of mint instead, if you can't find any discretion. Now, how does one combine all of these ingredients, you might ask? You need to juice the fruits. Be careful not to lose the drop. Otherwise, someone might be wise. Get wise. Otherwise, somebody might know what you're up to. Blend the syrup of trompe, the juices of intention, and irony. Then add the fizzing spirit of troll. Make sure to rinse the leaves with discretion, and then add it to the potion. Let it infuse for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, strain it into a bottle. Just know that if you venture into any cave lit by ultraviolet light, the potion will glow. It will become phosphorescent, and thus be able to light your way. But it will also betray its darkness. Also, know when making an invisibility potion, you will be invisible, but your shadow will not. This will be the jar that we store it in. Juice of irony. Juice of intention. Fizzing spirit of troll. This is actually the jar we're going to use. I was joking with her son. The trompe.
You said it so nice.
Just gonna stir that a bit. And then rinse your leaves of discretion before you let it fuse. Leaves of discretion. Stick that in there. I'm gonna let it sit for 10 minutes. Alright, it's been 10 minutes. Our sprig of discretion, or, mint, has infused. Now I'm gonna drink it. Gonna be honest, I don't like grapefruit. But maybe I like it. Who knows? And maybe I'll turn invisible. I'm just gonna drink it straight out of the jar because I'm an animal. It's not as bad as I thought it would be. Am I invisible? I don't feel invisible. Do I look invisible? Can't see me? Holy crap, it worked! If you want to know where I got this, I don't know how long this takes to wear off. Crap. Well, if you want to know where I got the book, it's the Wizard's Cookbook. I will post a link to it in the description for Amazon.